50% का सोल्यूशन उधर ही मिल जाएगा. And you have to either respond or react. But if you will respond and react in the form of CCR, will your energy level go up or down? Up or down? Up. When constantly your energy level is at lower state, then your immunity level goes down or it goes up? Goes down. So you want your immunity level up or down? Up. So what you have to be? CCR. अभी CCR रहने को क्या करने का? First is awareness. Awareness. Awareness of what? Your general state. आपका पूरा state कैसा है? आपका state कैसा है माने? For example, one Mrs. A, one Messrs. A is in a state of tension always, in a state of worry, in a state of anxiety, in a state of becoming upset immediately. That is the state. That is the constitution of the person. So first you need to be aware of your state, of your constitution. If you are aware of your constitution, then make changes in this. You will make changes in this. Change will come to be happy. Yes or no? Are you with me or not? Your basic constitution, what is it? You know your tendency, what it is. If anything is happening or this, आपका normal tendency क्या है? Relax रहने का, cool रहने का, tension में जाने का, कैसा करने का? You know your whole system. The first system is that you be aware of your system and try to change this by awareness. So when there is a basic change in the state of awareness of your constitution, then change in the normal being state. When there is change in the normal being state constitution and you are CCR and awareness state has changed, then reaction and response will also change, or it will be same? Change. So पहले you have to go inside or outside? Inside or outside? And what all is coming over here, जो situation, this, that, all is proportional to your kachra inside. All is proportional to what you have inside your system. Or it is not coming SI from outside. It is all the mirror image of what you have inside your system. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? बाहर जो भी कुछ हो रहा है is all a response of whatever is gathered inside. That only you will come across, or nothing else you are going to come across new. Because whatever you think, project into the mind, able to see. And you must have seen many a times that whatever you say starts happening truly, yes, immediately. आज मैंने ये 3-4 बातें सोची, सब फट 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 हो गया. Have you seen that? It is proportional to the state of purity of mind. It is proportional to the state of purity of mind. What is happening immediately? Whatever you want, all happens immediately. 1, 2, 3, you met all the people you wanted to meet. And because you are pure, and all, it's like instant coffee, everything is happening fast. Does it happen many times? You are trying to remember someone abroad, you got the call immediately. You were waiting for something and it was done immediately. So it is all proportional to the state of mind, and it's all proportional to the emptiness inside. And we are having 25 to 30 thoughts per minute and 50,000 thoughts in a day. 25 to 25 to 30 thoughts per minute and 50,000 thoughts in a day. Now, उसमें से वेस्ट कितना है? वेस्ट कितना है? वेस्ट कितना है? अच्छा, और are we connected to the present or we are connected to the past and future? हाँ जी? How many times are we now? So if you are पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर को अगर रॉन्ग कर दिया एंड नाउ में 100% आ गए, तो व्हाट इज योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड? व्हाट इज योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड? प्लीज टेल मी. बोलो बोलो. अरे बेटर क्या? हाँ या ना? अरे कुछ तो बोलो यार. यस या नो? तो व्हाट इज इट? कंडीशनड? इज इट प्रोपोर्शनल टू समथिंग? इट्स जस्ट देयर. Come on. हाँ या ना? So it is only that you have to be 100% in the present every moment. So just see to it that you are 100% focused to the present only every moment. And when you are 100% focused to whatever you are doing, what will be the outcome? What will be the outcome? Excellent. Excellent? Okay. Now, what you can do for yourself, see, if you will do it, then only I'll discuss. Otherwise, it's all waste. Will you all do it for yourself? Okay. One is strength. Second is weakness. Make a chart of your strengths. Make a chart of your weaknesses. Can you do that? Improvement. Improvement and scope of improvement. Area, scope of improvement. इतना आप खुद के लिए कॉलम बना सकोगे? स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, वीकनेस क्या है, एरिया ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट एंड वीकनेस. सो दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव, दिस विल बिकम नेगेटिव. व्हाट यू कैन डू टू इंप्रूव दिस? Yes or no? It is same scope and this is same. Either this or that. Strength, weakness. You make a chart. जो भी चार्ट बनेगा ABC XYZ and past plans, result, now plans, future plans, result. वो हो सकता है पास्ट का प्लान्स क्या था उसका रिजल्ट आपको मालूम है, नाउ का प्लान क्या है उसका रिजल्ट मालूम है, फ्यूचर का प्लान क्या होना है और उसका रिजल्ट मालूम है. वो सब एक पेपर पे लिख सकते हैं. खाली दो ही कॉलम हुआ. फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस, सेकंड इज past plan result, present plan result and future plan result. क्या क्या फ्यूचर स्ट्रेटेजीज है, उसका रिजल्ट आप क्या उम्मीद करते हो, वो हो सकता है. सो नाउ विद दिस व्हाट विल हैपन टू योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड? कैन यू टेल मी? हाँ, अवेयरनेस कम्स. नो, माइंड में कैसा हो जाएगा? माइंड कैसा होगा पहले बताओ. अगर माइंड को खाली किया तो माइंड कैसा हो जाएगा? कैसा होएगा? नहीं, पॉजिटिव नहीं. व्हाट विल हैपन टू द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड? इट विल बी calm. But now, my request to you is, this gentleman said that soul का तो state ही है happiness. My suppose if you start operating only from the level of feeling and put cross to the mind, then If you will operate only from the level of feeling, you want to be happy. Your mind of course work, but you will see that you are always happy. हाँ या ना? Yes या no? Are you with me? You work only from the level of the heart every time. Even if you are working in the office, you work from the level of mind. You use your mind, but operate from the level of the heart with each and every person. So how will you be with all people? You said your natural unconditional love to be happy. When your natural state is unconditioned love, you are an ocean of love. Yes or no? So if you are an ocean of love, you want okay from someone to pass something. Yes or no? ये ठीक किया कि नहीं, ये कैसा लगता है? You are not yourself okaying everything because you don't feel it's okay. So no? Okay. So if you are in a state of happiness, do you require to ask something to anyone? हाँ जी? नहीं ना, आप खुद अपने आप से कर लोगे ना? तो you are already into that state, unconditional love state. तो पहला तो आपने आपको लव किया है. Have you loved yourself? Have you told thank you to your body who is giving you so much service? Have you said? Yes or no? Have we told thank you to our body who is giving us so much service? Have you said yes or no?
Yes. Thank God.
No, thank to your body who is giving service to you. Now from today onwards, if you really are listening to me, really, from heart to heart level, let us say, thank you, I love you very much. What is your name? For example, my name is Sonal. Sonal, I love you very much. I love each and every cell of my body. Say with you, come on. Everyone say loudly. What's your name?
Nancy, I love you very much.
Bala, I love you very much. Amin, I love you very much. Rajesh, I love you.
I love each and every cell of my body. Correct? I accept each and every cell of my body. I am thankful of your services you have given to me. I appreciate your services. अभी इससे क्या हो गया? I accept your services. I accept myself as I am. अभी इससे क्या हो गया? I forgive myself. I forgive myself. So you will have no complaints left for yourself. Will you have? Will you have? Yes or no?
Myself.
हाँ. Will you have any complaints? नहीं तो आप बोलोगे मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मैं ऐसा हूँ. Now, each and every being is an ocean of unconditional love. So each and every organ is also ocean of unconditional love. When each and every cell of your body, when your mind is disturbed, disease is disturbed state of being. And whenever your mind is disturbed, your one cell is disturbed, so that cell's disturbed energy passes to the weak organ of the body, and repeatedly that process happens, so that organ goes into the disturbed state. And when it goes into the disturbed state, either that organ will shrink or will enlarge. When it shrinks, it is called atrophy. When it enlarges, it is called swelling. Each and every organ of the body, take from brain to anus, each and every organ is either shrinking in size or enlarging in size. And it is proportional to the emotion of the body. Because each and every emotion is projecting its effect into each and every cell of the body. Because energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It is only changing its form, and it is always transmitted. हाँ या ना? It is always transmitted. So, energy is always transmitted. Energy is always transmitted. So, I'll take an example.